Myntri Rangbah adu kajala ukonrat kisangma hakasingi ba Jong katayau ula Plie Paidbah no ya ka Ophis Treikam Jong ka Krishi Vigyan Kendra kabadan hakashnong Nongshillong ka habru hapo uput usam ka East and West Khasi Hills String hakani kasingi lawan man sakilang da Myntri katanat Water Resources uba H Broading Nongsiet u Deputy Commissioner ka East and West Khasi Hills String uba Wilfred Nongsiet u Acting Director ka Atari Zone Umyam u Dr. A.K. Singha ki ofisa na kitrat Treikam ba per kinong rap bat kiwei. La ong ruba ka jing pleno yakni ka Ophis Treikam kalong kum shibenta ban ajing hikai bat ban peniru yakabuit bat karukam Treikam kat kum ka start sayan sha kinong rap jong kani kathan kadang ban kentiu ya ka kamrap bat ya ka kam rijing ri hapok ka jala. Shu ha kani ka sngi na kaliang jong katanat rap tanat reng kala samru ya kitiar gitar kiba kinong rap ki jupinan kam ha ka baram kum shibenta ban ai mensiem bat ban penslur shu ya ki kanang makin la ban penroy ya ka kamram.
Our Chief Minister's sir, I am indeed very thankful and grateful to you, sir, for your available time to attend this special function today as a chief guest to inaugurate the administrative building of the KWK Eastern West Khasi Hill District at Nongshillong. I am also very pleased that this KWK of our district now has its own building to function right now after so many years that has been temporarily function at the office of the scheme of Hima Maoyang's Imship Nongshillong.
Dear friends, this particular building was supposed to be organized and inaugurated quite some time back, and because of different reasons we were not able to come and inaugurate this building, but it gives me immense pleasure today and a lot of happiness to finally be able to inaugurate this particular Krishi Vigyan Kendra. I would like to thank all the officials, all the departments, the HIMA, and all the other traditional heads who have contributed to making this project possible and for having organized this meeting to finally inaugurate this very long awaited KVK.